Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the SQL. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So how to create a table in MySQL using the command line. So this is the query that we have to use. So first of all, we have to select the DB which we want to use. That is create database MyDB. I want to use that DB. So I will type use my DB, right? So it will select it. Database changed. So current DB I have selected is my DB. Now I'm going to create the table into that DB. So the I need to just copy this command. So create table command is create table, whatever the table name. So here we have a ID, where we have a username, then we have an email, okay, and the primary key would be the ID. This ID would be the primary key. So this is how we are able to write. Okay, so this is the method. This is the ID, this is the name of the variable. What are the data type? Okay, whether it's to be null or auto incremented. This is username, that is a varchar, that is a string which takes 100 characters, not null. This is the email, and this is again the variable character 100, not null, and the primary code would be the ID which is auto incremented. So I'm just copying this and enter this over here, and 0 rows affected, 0.4 seconds. Let me check what exactly it's happened, it is creating or not. You can see that customers with ID, username and email, so it is created, right? So the query, so whatever you want to create, whether it's to be different type of fields, so there are different variables like integer, varchar, long text, big int. So there are different things there for the manipulating the data type of the variable. Okay, so we are going to discuss all of the variables in the coming video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I hope you understand how to create a table in the MySQL with the help of this query, right? So we will take a look on the how to like data types. What are the data types that provide the SQL for creating a table? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.